All right, so this is the way it's going to work. I'm going to hand out numbers. Now, here's your number. Don't share it with anybody yet. Here's your number. We have nobody else? Oh, there you go. There's your number. I'm officiating. Are we all lined up on this line? So we're getting close here, guys. Like, we're handing it to each other.
Him and CJ said the same thing right from the beginning. We're just going to peg the other person, right?
Is everybody ready? Okay, toss. One person move back. Ready? Toss. One person move back. Toss. Okay, one person move back. Toss. Okay, one person move back. Toss. Okay. Well, this is getting a little uncomfortable. One person move back. Toss. Okay, one person move back. Toss. We got one out. You guys are out. You guys are out. All right, toss. Oh.
It's good, it's good.
Okay, you guys are out. Toss. Okay, back up. Toss. Okay, back up. All right, toss. The last three teams that were up here, reline yourself. Okay, so you and Billy are in first. Okay, second and third. Okay, Jay, will you give them all an additional egg?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's what I was doing. Who needs an egg? Yeah, that's totally why I was going over there.
He gets another egg too. He gets another egg too. Oh. So we have first, second, and third right now, but your positions can change. And here we go. Toss.
Andy caught it.
Toss. Okay, toss. Move back. Toss. Okay, move back. Toss. Move back. Move back. Okay, toss. Okay, so we got 1, 2, and 3. You guys hang out here. We're gonna go get some prizes.
Yeah, good job, guys. Billy, think quick, think quick. Got him!
Where's our first place winners? Oh, look at that. So you guys have to decide who gets the chocolate, who gets the bunny. Where's our second place?
We had Bradley and Mike.
Bradley and Mike, you guys get to decide. Look at this.
Beautiful little bunny in half.
And we don't want anyone to feel left out. you guys can figure out.
Chocolate.
Hey, great job, you guys. That was awesome.
Thank you.